He gonna beat me for one like you see me every time. Now, you don't just, I'll fucking do something like that. You want me to come back? Hey, come on back. Hey, hey, she's right, mate.
What did I say? I didn't say nothing.
And now you ask for that. What?
Why she gotta be a bitch?
Why she gotta call me something? Why she gotta fucking sit there and fucking behind closed doors and shit, all that good story. But you hear shit. She mad